Morning light on stone and wood, all runs slow like it should. Hands know more than words can say. We cook the simple, honest way. Salt from the sea, bread on the side. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Every flavor earns its time. Every step stays on course. Let it rest, let it be. Good things grow when left alone. From the earth to the flame, from the heart to the home. We stir, we wait, we taste, we trust old recipes. Quiet hands do what feels right, do what must. Outside waves meet the shore. Windows open, curtains move. Spring air carries lemon trees and the promise of something new. Bare feet on cool tiled floors. Sunlight dances on the wall. Time stretches soft and wide. No reason now to rush it all. Sun stays high, hours pass. Wine breathes air, fire stays low. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just the way it's meant to go. Let it rest, let it be. Good things grow when left alone. From the earth to the flame, from the heart to the home. Olive trees in quiet rows, stories held in twisted bark. Every meal a borrowed gift from the land, from the dark. Hands move slow, hearts stay light. Laughter drifts from room to room. Simple food, open doors. Afternoon turns into noon. Plates are warm, shadows shift. Spring slips gently into day.